So I've done a lot of projects around the house, smaller projects. They're not really worthy of their own video, but I figured if I put them all together, that might be something interesting for you to watch. Welcome to Alley Picked. So today I want to show you some fairly small projects, but I hope they inspire you to get off that chair or sofa and do something productive today. First up, literally, up, my porch light. I took out the original glass panels in this light and used them as a pattern for the new glass panels, which I think are a huge improvement. Now I pieced my stained glass together to form that shape, but if you don't have that skill, you could simply buy yourself a whole sheet of stained glass and cut it to fit. They sell this stuff at the Hobby Lobby store. Now if you do that, make sure you get the translucent and not the opaque. This will let the light through and this will obscure it. Of course, if your porch light is round or the panels are not easily replaceable, then, well, this method might not work for you. Guess what you're looking at? It's the inside of an old cauldron that was found in the woods at a forest preserve not too far from where I live. My friend who found it told me there were feathers inside. Apparently this was used for some sort of animal sacrifice ritual. Pretty creepy. But she wanted to use this as a planter on her porch. In its current condition, it looks rather unsightly. She asked if I could clean it up for her. Using a wire wheel on a drill, I removed all the loose rust. Using some paint thinner, I was able to clean it up. Using a rust treatment product like Ospo or Clean Strip, I was able to convert the rust. Finally, using some of my magic oil, I was able to shine, protect, and wax the finish. Number 3. I made this from some used material when I took out an old garden bed. This is composite wood. It started getting so bowed for the garden bed, but for a table like this, it works out pretty well. It requires no maintenance, no finish, and it's really heavy, so it's not going to blow away in the wind. It's an easy afternoon project. And while we're here, let's move on to number 4. When I want to water this plant, I used to have to go grab a watering can, but now I grab an oil can. This is an old oil can which I turned into a watering can. Take a closer look. I found a plastic cap that fit over the end. I slipped it on, drilled some small holes in it, and now I have a cool watering can that any picker would love. Driving through the alley, I noticed that somebody tossed out this plastic Adirondack chair. It wasn't cracked or broken, just disgustingly dirty. Well, disgusting chair? Say hello to my little friend, Mr. Power Washer. These chairs are not cheap. They were selling at Lowe's near me for almost 25 bucks. That's not bad for only 10 minutes worth of work. I'm sitting on my back porch. It's rather small. In fact, it used to be smaller, but I expanded this section so I could put a grill here. There still wasn't enough room for any seating, so I took out the railing that was here and I built this convenient bench. This thing worked out great. It now serves as a railing and a fairly comfortable bench as well. This is the church I attend. It's 100 years old and requires a lot of maintenance. I needed to make a new indoor sign, so I used this old mirror which I removed from the church and decided to turn it into the new sign. I removed all the mirror silvering, which was not an easy task. Then I spray painted the back. The new sign is amazing. So this is the old sign that I took out of my church. It looks like it came out of the 1950s, maybe 40s. This is the new sign. I'd say it's a bit of an upgrade. So thanks for watching another episode of Alley Picked. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see some really cool projects, check these out. Or if quick tips are your thing, right here. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.